Hello, my coalistic people. How are you all doing? Thank you so dearly for always supporting this platform. I really do appreciate. Honestly speaking, I do. If today is the first time you are coming across us or you are hearing this voice for the first time, I still remain your one and only AGATHA Progress, bringing it to you live and direct. Remember, in this platform, we react to all videos. Yes, so, and your opinion as well is highly needed. My coalistic people, today, the one I want to bring for you today is the one that the Ogidigbengben. Yes, so have you heard what is going on recently among the IPOB leadership? Have you heard about what is going on recently among Simon Ekpa and the family of Nnamdi Kanu? Have you heard about what is going on all over the globe among Simon Ekpa and every other person, IPOP, Soludo, and everyone? I am here to touchlight it for you. You guys know that before now, the person that brought this sit at home is DOS, that is the IPOB leadership. Yes, so they brought this sit at home idea and they made promise to Biafrans that anytime Nnamdi Kanu will appear in court, there will be sit at home. And they also talked about 7 days sit at home if Nigeria government did not do the right thing to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. And believe me, that court hearing on that particular time did not go well at all. That was in December, did not go well at all. Kiri. And they adjourned the court date to January or so, of which Simon Ekpa took over the mantle. Yes, so I have to say took over the mantle because that sit at home is something that a lot of Biafrans, they love it. A lot of people appreciate it. And all of a sudden, bish, DOS said the sit at home will no longer have effects. They don't need any sit at home, whether His Excellency Nnamdi Kanu will appear in court or not, whether Nnamdi Kanu will go to anywhere or not, whether he's having court date or not, that the sit at home will never have any effect. Okay, meanwhile, the Biafran people, the ones living in Biafran land, because they are the really VIP. Yes, we have to give them the respect, the kudos. They've already bought the idea. They love it, and they said, no, we are going to sit at home. So since then, even when the DOS cut off the sit at home, even when the IPOB leadership have already issued a memo, talk to everybody that this sit at home, it has been cancelled. Do you know what? Those people said, no, this sit at home can never be cancelled. We love the sit at home. And I'm telling you, it is a big blow, and it's another different thing again all over Biafra land. I just want to take you all along so that you know where I am going to and where I have been coming from. Because I don't want to just jump into conclusion. I don't just want to jump into this video without you not understanding or getting the lyrics of what I am about to say. So, this thing started. So, Simon Ekpa said, no, this sit at home must have effect because he so much love Nnamdi Kanu, and Nnamdi Kanu is their leader. Nnamdi Kanu is the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, and the fact that Nnamdi Kanu is under the DSS is not going to take any command from him, because somebody that is under DSS don't have right to issue any command or anything that will be relevant to the struggle. That even if Nnamdi Kanu give any command from there, it is not going to favor them, because Nnamdi Kanu will just be doing it because he know where he is. Okay, so Simon Ekpa took over the mantle. And Simon Ekpa is one person that is preaching of this sit at home. Yes, so when DOS stopped the sit at home, Simon Ekpa rose up again and said, this sit at home must continue. Okay, so now Anambra State have another big case again about this sit at home. And they emerge another governor. The new governor, that is Soludo, Prof. Charles Soludo, now he came out to say he is working with the DOS. He believed that the DOS, the IPOP leadership that he know, they are not the one in charge of this sit-at-home. That is Simon Ekpa that is the charge of the sit-at-home. Yes, so they said it's one Finland-based activist, Simon Ekpa. He said he's a small boy. He said he is the one that is in charge of the sit-at-home, that he is working hand in hand with the IPOB leadership. So, bish, the team started to roll, and this memo was written by Kanunta Kanu. A lot of people will not know who is Kanunta Kanu. Kanunta Kanu is a younger brother to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra. And now Kanunta Kanu have taken the matter again upon himself. I want to inform our State Department, the UN, Bruce Fame, and a lot of people that they are not in charge, that IPOP is not in charge of the atrocity that is going on in Biafra land. That the person that is in charge of what is going on, the wrong things that is happening, that person is Simon Ekpa. But come to think of it, are these people, are they fighting the same thing, or they are fighting in their house? What is really the purpose of this IPOP agitation? If, for instance, Nnamdi Kanu is with the DSS, does that mean that the IPOP is going to just wipe up just like that? I don't really get it. I don't really understand. I need somebody to make me to understand. Now, Kanunta Kanu have written this to these people that were mentioned, and you are reading it yourself now, that they are not in charge. That the person that is in charge is Simon Ekpa. Of a truth, the sit-at-home is now autopilot IPOP sit-at-home. That is what they said. The sit-at-home is not ordered again by DOS. DOS and IPOP leadership, they are not the one in charge. But Kanunta Kanu is the one that wrote this thing to UN to say that Simon Ekpa is not the one in charge, that they should take note. They even say that the Finland government should caution its citizen. Yes, so that is Simon Ekpa, that they should caution him. But above all these things, do you know that the main reason why this fight continue, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is in DSS custody, crying right now to Biafrans that they should pray for him. You see, that IPOP, his supporters, they should pray for him, because he's going to appear in court on April 8, 2022. That is 2 days from now. Countdown is on Friday, 8th of March, 8th of April. And the strength that everybody should put in place to be praying for him, make it is to work out. They are using that strength to fight here, fight there, saying who is doing this and who is not doing that right. Why? The main reason why you say you are fighting for this agitation, the person that is not crying for you people to pray for him, and everybody is doing I don't care. It is a shame. 2 days to when Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will go to court, nobody is even saying about it. Nobody is saying anything about it. Everywhere is as cold water. Everybody now enter house. Nobody is saying anything. Come on. Where are we going from here? All right, my Kabbalistic people, on your own part as well, I brought this up there so that you will know that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu really need this prayer more than you can ever imagine. Please do well to pray for him in your closet, because he needs it. Pray that God in his infinite mercy, the God of justice, should make everything possible on 8th of April. Happiness and joy will be the portion of everybody, so that all these things, all this kata will come to an end. So my beloved family, please do well to share this video, like and subscribe if you haven't. I still remain AGATHA Progress, bringing it to you direct. See you when I see you. For me to you, from here, I said bye.